Have you ever wondered how to find the third side of a triangle when you know two sides and the angle between them? The law of cosines provides a beautiful answer. Let's prove it together, step by step. Now, look at the right triangle formed by the altitude. The horizontal leg is b minus a cosine gamma, and the vertical leg is a sine gamma. By Pythagoras, the square of side C equals the sum of the squares of these two legs. Expanding the square gives b squared minus 2ab cosine gamma plus a squared cosine squared gamma plus a squared sine squared gamma. Factor out a squared from the last two terms. Inside the parenthesis, we have cosine squared plus sine squared. The Pythagorean identity tells us that cosine squared plus sine squared equals 1. This is the key simplification. Putting it all together, we obtain the law of cosines. C squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine gamma. This formula works for any triangle, not just right triangles. And that is the law of cosines, a powerful bridge between sides and angles in any triangle. Remember, it helps us solve many problems in geometry and physics. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring.